I love the hair, I love the length, I like how nice and full it is, and like I stated, because this is their new AirFluff wig, it is super lightweight on my head. It feels like nothing's on my head. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company MyFirstWig. This is their new AirFluff Kinky Straight Bob wig. This hair feels super lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy on my head at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to styling this unit. I'm gonna move this hair out of the way first.